Broccoli is a mighty green vegetable packed with nutrients, but this powerhouse plant has an Achilles heel. The vegetable's vulnerability to temperature in a warming world has spurred scientists to explore means for a heat-resistant broccoli of the future, news.com has learned. The summer of 2023 was Earth's hottest since global records began in 1880, according to NASA. The months of June, July and August combined were 2.1 degrees warmer than the average summer between 1951 and 1980. The impacts of climate change are a threat to our planet and future generations, the agency said. Broccoli thrives at a temperature of around 61 degrees Fahrenheit, but becomes deformed at 72 degrees, and grows dense cauliflower-like heads at 82 degrees, researchers from Cornell University in New York said in a study published in the journal Molecular Horticulture. The researchers, concerned with warming trends, set out to explore whether a heat-resistant broccoli variety might be achievable. The research delved into the genetic reasons behind broccoli's abnormal growth at higher temperatures. When plants were exposed to a substance that prevented a biological process called DNA methylation, the broccoli heads grew normally, even at 82 degrees. This, researchers said, suggested methylation was the reason for the abnormalities. Once we understand the mechanism better, we should be able to devise ways to develop a new biotechnology, a molecular genetics approach to suppress DNA methylation, in order to breed crops to grow in much warmer temperatures and in wider regions, Susheng Gan, professor at Cornell and co-author on the study, said in an article by the university's newspaper Cornell Chronicle. Flowering plants are made up of complex structures that are especially sensitive to heat, which can reduce their quality and yield. The Cornell scientists hope their findings may be applicable for other flowering crops. The authors said the research provides new approaches to breeding of broccoli and other crops for resilience to elevating temperature or for cultivating in warmer temperature zones. Another related effort at the University of Maryland focuses on enhancing the heat resistance of apples, developing strains that can thrive despite rising temperatures associated with human-caused pollution, according to climate change-related news outlet The Cool Down.